Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the UTC set UTC hours method. So what it does, you specified a date for it's a local timeline like GMT minus 3 hours. It's probably the German, I guess, German time, or maybe Polish, maybe like that, something like that. So forget it. Next, when we do that, the next thing gonna happen is when we log it the UTC time, it gonna different from that time, So what we need to do for that is just use the get hours. Just let me show you with the get hours. There is a method which goes hand in hand with the set UTC hours is get. So when we do that, it's gonna give you 2 because it's 2 there, and but in the place of here it's 23. So because it's 3 hours ahead of Germany, it's UK 3 year ahead of Germany, not in time. It's yeah. So the next what we need to do is, if you want to set the UTC time, think about that like you are making an internationalization app, like something like airplane app, something like that. So when you do that, set UTC hours and pass the time, something like 23, which you want to do. So I'm gonna give you the exact hours in the UTC. This is what it does. So if you are making an app related to this, I'm gonna see the best practices will be you set up every time you set up will be UTC hours, UTC date, or UTC full years. But when you want to the localize that, just do with this. So in that way you will never have a problem with your app, any glitches. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.